Are you priced right? This MESA workflow finds out automatically, using Perplexity to research live competitor prices the moment a product hits your store. This is MESA's setup wizard. Add the email address that will review and approve pricing suggestions, and you're all set. Here's where your Shopify store is connected. The moment a new product is created, MESA kicks off. That's the trigger. MESA now sends your product title, type, vendor, and current price to Perplexity. It scans live retail data, finds comparable products, and returns a single recommended price. This is MESA's human-in-the-loop step. Before anything changes, MESA pauses and sends you an approval email with the suggested price. Approve it, and the workflow continues. Deny it, and it stops. Once approved, MESA updates the product variant price automatically. No manual edits needed. Now let's run a test. With live data, just allow each step as it prompts you. Perplexity comes back with a recommended price. The approval email hits the inbox. I'll go ahead and approve it now. Allow that last step, and the price is live in Shopify. And that's it. Let's turn it on. Every new product deserves the right price. Now it gets one automatically. Grab the template below and start for free at getmesa.com.